Hello travel lovers. In this video, I'm going to tell you the best possible 5-day itinerary for Paris. If you're here for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Paris is a movable feast. While wandering in streets of her, you get glimpse of incredible history, beauty, architecture, cuisine, and fashion. Paris is a perfect combination where France's grand past meets futuristic way and give testimony that every city has a story to tell. Most of you start your journey to Paris from Charles de Gaulle International Airport. From here, you take direct taxi to your hotel or other cheapest way to travel from airport is train. If you are not comfortable to find your hotel from the train, then first go to Gare du Nord and then taxi. Best if you can stay near Gare du Nord. Standard check-in time is 3 pm. So if you are coming early, you can also book hotel a day in advance. Before start our day's excursion, let's take a quick look to our day's plan. First place we visit is La Défense. Grand Arch is also here. Then second stop is Arc de Triomphe. After visiting Arc de Triomphe, we visit Champs-Élysées. And last stop in this circuit is Place de la Concorde. In the evening, we visit Eiffel Tower. Then Seine River cruise, and at the last we see night show at the Eiffel. You can also take alternative route by starting your journey from Place de la Concorde. But in this video series, I am starting my journey from La Défense. Our first stop in Paris is La Défense. This modern district is seen as Paris' entry in 21st century. The Grand Arch situated here makes a striking impression. Buy a ticket if you want to go to its observation deck. Arc de Triomphe is situated few miles away. The magnificent Arc de Triomphe rises from the place Charles de Gaulle. Beneath the arch, there is a tomb of the unknown soldier. From the top, it offers commanding views of 12 grand avenues, which radiate outward like a star. From Arc de Triomphe, continue your journey towards Champs-Élysées. It is 1.2 miles long street. This place is where Parisians come to dine, shop, enjoy the theatre and to celebrate life. You can also enjoy Paris' famous Lido show. It is also the location of the annual Basile des Military Parade. The Champs-Élysées merges into the largest square in Paris, Place de la Concorde. After watching this architecture marvel, you can also head straight to coffee shop for a small break and gear up to spend a nice evening in Paris at the Eiffel Tower. Over the streets of Paris rise the Eiffel Tower. The tower offers 3 floors, and to reach the second floor, you can even climb or take an elevator. For third floor, you have to take an elevator. Tower has 2 restaurants, 58 Tour Eiffel and Le Jouet Vert. After this, you can also wander in large green areas, Champ de Mars, and then head for a relaxing cruise on Seine River. From the boat, you can witness many city sublimes landmarks and catch a beautiful sunset while you are at it. Every night from sundown to 1 am at the beginning of each hour, the special illuminations burst into view on the horizon. The display lasts a total of 5 minutes each time, with the exception of the finale at 1 am, which is for around 10 minutes. Riverside views are favored by most tourists. Hope you have enjoyed day 1 of the Paris itinerary. If you come to our channel for first time, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like and share our video. You are most welcome to give your suggestions for the best Paris itinerary. Do visit our website www.atravelpark.com for the best packages.